Komatsu is a future-oriented and expanding company. Their machines support our daily lives in various fields that include civil engineering, forestry, logistics, and industrial machinery. At Kanazawa plant, Komatsu utilizes its accumulated technological know-how and advanced strategies to promote energy efficiency. Here, Komatsu produces high-quality and reliable products in an environment of green transformation. In addition, Komatsu manufactures vital drive components such as gears for large presses and construction machinery. For example, this drive gear is used to move presses up and down, transmitting motor power to the main gear via its inner and outer teeth. These high-precision gears are essential for the operation of large presses. They are machined on MORI's large 5-axis machining center, the DMU 270 FD. This allows Komatsu to achieve full gear processing on a single 5-axis machining center.
産業機械の動力には様々なギアが使用されています。ギアの加工工程は線削、ギアミーリング、スカイビング、波面検索がありますが、当社ではこれらを50加工機1台で行っています。
In the past, these processes were divided between a lathe and gear machine, requiring setup changes and workpiece transport. Furthermore, manual marking was needed to adjust the phase between the external and internal teeth. In total, this required 5 operators and a lead time of 3 months, along with significant factory space. This process was integrated into a single 5-axis machining center. Now, the production runs day and night and is completed by 2 people in just 3 weeks, reducing labor and improving productivity. Without any setup changes, the phase accuracy of the gears and shafts has also improved.
小松では複数の工程を50加工機に集約し、さらに中溝をなくしたギアの生産にも取り組んでいます。これにより製品本体をコンパクトに設計することができるため、原材料の削減やエネルギー消費を抑えた開発につながります。私たちは部品一つ一つにもこだわり、GX に貢献する製品を生み出しています。
Komatsu produces high-quality products that withstand diverse environments around the world. At Kanazawa plant, their cooperation with MORI has realized the integration of gear machining processes to promote a sustainable factory with reduced production lead times and energy consumption. Komatsu and MORI will continue to take on the challenge of realizing a sustainable future together.